Give an AI a single sentence, like, build me a website, and then you just walk away. When you come back, it's done.
Right.
That's the promise, anyway.
It's a powerful promise.
Yeah.
And it's fueling the incredible hype around a new class of tools, AI agents.
Welcome to the AI Builder's Blueprint. Today, we're cutting through that hype. We're talking about tools like Devin AI, GenSpark, and Google's Agentspace. Are they the beginning of the end for human workers, or just the next evolution of the toolkit?
I think we have to start by defining what an agent is.
Okay.
Because it's not just a smarter ChatGPT. A chatbot, it predicts the next word. An AI agent has a goal, and it can use tools to achieve it.
Right. It's the difference between asking someone for the recipe and having a chef who can actually go into the kitchen, grab the ingredients, use the oven, and cook the meal.
Right.
So the agent has access to, what, a browser, a code editor?
Exactly. It has a whole toolbox. So let's say the goal is build a Pong game. The agent doesn't just spit out a block of code.
Right.
It might first think, okay, my plan is 1, set up the project files, 2, write the HTML, and so on. Then it executes each step.
And this is where the viral demos for tools like Devin AI come from. We see it hit an error, and instead of just stopping, it goes, that didn't work.
Yeah.
It then uses its browser tool to search for a solution on Stack Overflow, finds an answer, and applies the fix. That ability to self-correct is what feels so futuristic.
It is a huge leap, but let's be the contrarians here.
Okay.
The demos are impressive, but they are often perfectly curated. They're like those cooking shows where all the ingredients are pre-chopped and measured.
So you're saying an agent can't handle a client who says, I don't know what I want, but I'll know it when I see it.
Absolutely not. At least not yet. An agent can't interpret ambiguous human emotion or navigate complex corporate politics.
Right.
It's a fantastic executor of well-defined tasks. It's more like a tireless, hyper-efficient junior developer, not a seasoned project lead.
Okay, that's a great distinction. It's not about replacing the architect.
No.
But about giving them a team of tireless builders. We see this with platforms like Replit, or even Google's Agentspace.
Agentspace is interesting because it's really focused on those internal business tasks.
Right.
It's less about building a whole new SaaS product from scratch and more about, say, analyze our Q3 sales data from these 3 sources and generate a summary report.
That's a task that could take a business analyst half a day of just tedious data wrangling.
And an agent could do it in minutes.
Wow.
It frees up the analyst to focus on the so what, the high-level strategy that comes from the data, not just gathering it.
Okay, let's make this concrete. A mini case study. Imagine a freelance content strategist. We'll call her Chloe.
Okay.
She just landed a new client, a small, eco-friendly skincare brand, so she needs to build a content strategy from the ground up.
Pre-agents? That's days of work. Market research, competitor analysis.
Exactly. But now, Chloe sits down and gives an agent, maybe something like GenSpark, a prompt. And it might be, my client is Verde Skincare. Their target audience is millennials interested in sustainable beauty. Your task is to identify competitors, analyze their content themes, and create a 4-week content calendar.
And the agent gets to work. It uses its browser to search for competitors.
Yeah.
It might even use an image recognition tool to analyze the aesthetics of their Instagram feeds. It pulls all this data, identifies patterns, and then populates a spreadsheet.
And what Chloe gets back is maybe an 80% complete foundation. The agent did all the legwork.
Right.
Now, she can apply her uniquely human skill, strategy. She'll look at it and say, okay, the agent missed a key emotional angle here. Or, this idea is generic, I can make it better.
The agent provided the data. Chloe provided the wisdom. It didn't replace her.
Right.
It just made her more efficient and more valuable. She's no longer paid just for her time, but for her high-level strategic oversight.
But this all sounds a little too perfect. What are the risks?
Okay.
I can't help but think about what happens when these agents get something wrong in a subtle but critical way.
That is the biggest challenge.
The hallucination problem we see in chatbots becomes an erroneous action problem in agents. An agent told to optimize cloud spending could accidentally delete a critical database if it's not given proper constraints.
It has no real-world comprehension of consequences.
It's a black box.
And what about security?
Yeah.
I can't control it, right? If you give an agent access to your company's internal network to organize files, you've basically given it the keys to the kingdom.
Which is why that human-in-the-loop model is so crucial. These are not fire and forget systems.
Right.
They're powerful tools that require supervision. The future of work probably isn't a human watching a robot do their old job. It's a skilled professional leveraging an agent to achieve things that were previously impossible.
So the key takeaway here isn't to be scared of AI agents,
No.
but to start thinking about how to manage them, how to break down your work and figure out where your human insight is most valuable.
Precisely, it's not about being replaced.
Yeah.
It's about being augmented.
And that brings us to the question we want you to think about. If you were given an AI agent for your own job tomorrow, what is the very first tedious task you would delegate to it?
Let us know your thoughts. Next week, we're diving into the world of AI-generated video.
Ooh.
Are Sora and its rivals really creating Hollywood-level scenes, or is it just another special effect?